Just came back from Harbor Freight. Picked up this Icon professional ratchet, the flex head 92 3/8 drive. This isn't the original one that first came out. This is the updated design. The other one was more of a pear-shaped bezel. This one's more like a traditional, I don't want to say snap-on, but like the snap-on type of mechanism. But here it is. It appears that it's pretty well greased. Teeth sound a little bit rough. I'm not sure if it's just the grease. I'm gonna have to open it up and check it. But there you go. It's pretty much identical to their old one, except they did change the head, because I believe the other ones were getting like locked up or something. They had like a little recall on them. I'm gonna try this out and see how it rolls. I might actually just open this up right now so you guys can see the internals. So stay tuned. So let's go ahead and open this up. So as you can see, this is more a traditional design. And it does have quite a bit of grease in there. I mean, it's a fairly decent sized paw. I've never had issues with their ratchets, even with like their lower end ones. So I'm sure this one should be even better than that. There is a video of a guy named Client Graphics, and he does like testing where he'll see where the breaking point is. If he does get one of these, I'd like to see if this is any stronger than the original design. I'm pretty sure it is, because the other one was it was a much thinner. Oops, found it. But yeah, it seems to be fairly well made. The machining and stuff is pretty nice. As to how hard the metal is, I'm not quite sure yet, but time will tell. But like I said, even with their more budget oriented ones, even with those, like, I've never had issues. I have broken one or two, but it's because that's when you put like a 3 to 4 foot breaker bar on them. And the other one I broke from here. The actual mechanism was still fine. But yeah, there you guys go. It's the Icon. I actually like these quite a bit. There's the pin, and they did pack it fairly nice, full of grease. This is more of the standard on off instead of off and on, which to me it actually makes more sense. Off, on, you know, you kick it to the right, righty tighty, lefty loosey. But you know, everybody's used to their own thing. I'm actually more used to the this being off and this being on, but I'm sure I could get used to this. I don't think it'll be a big deal. So there you guys go. If you guys are interested in these kind of videos, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and leave a like, comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys. Stay tuned.